Hello guys, my name is Luca and in this video I will show you how to use and connect the GoPro Remote, with GoPro 10. Remember that it connects with GoPro 11, GoPro 10, GoPro 9, GoPro Max and even with the GoPro 8. At the end I will show you a couple of settings. Here we go. First of all, let's start the remote, the GoPro Remote. At the top you will find the power on button. Tap on it and the remote is now powered on. Then power on the GoPro. Remember, it works with almost all the latest models. Swipe down, go to right, connections, and now connect device, the remote. Then on the remote just tap OK for pair now. Connecting successfully. We will wait for the remote. So it is connected. As you can see, if I press the shutter button, it makes the photo. On the mode you can swipe between all modes: time-lapse, video, photo. Let's go to video and press play. Remember that the GoPro Remote is connected with the GoPro device via Bluetooth Low Energy, so you can use them up to 100 and 100 feet to 115 feet. Here we have the settings where you can switch between standard, activity, cinematic, ultra and slow-mo. Play. If this video helps you, feel free to subscribe my YouTube channel and please hit that like button. Cheers!